Hey guys, today we're gonna start on a new unit called statics and we're gonna be talking about equilibrium. Let's get started. So first we're gonna talk about what an equilibrium is. So equilibrium is when there is no net force acting on an object or the system. So net force equals 0. So horizontally, if net x force is equal to 0, then it means that any force vectors that are going into the right must cancel with the ones going into the left. So all horizontal forces cancel out. And that's the same for vertical forces. If we're in an equilibrium, then all vertical forces have to cancel out. And equilibrium is the exact opposite of dynamics. Dynamics is a study of how motion and forces change over time, but equilibrium is about how